Hi everyone, today I'll be showing you all how to delete and restore Microsoft Teams channel. Open Microsoft Teams, click three dot next to the channel name and choose Manage Teams. Under Channels, expand Active Channels and choose the channel and click Delete this channel option. The channel will be deleted, and in order to restore the channel, go to Channels and expand Deleted and choose Restore in order to restore the deleted channel. Now you have learned how to delete and restore Microsoft Teams channel.